Yo, what is good, YouTube? Hope you guys are doing great and having a good day today. Today, I'm doing a little LED conversion kit on my XLT 1988 Ford Ranger. Keep in mind, it's in January. I cleaned the windows a little bit. I tried to make them look better. It's actually decently warm in there from the sun shining in. Today's like 50, but today's like one of the last days in January. And I got some LED light bulbs from Amazon, so we're gonna try them out on the Ford Ranger, and hopefully it goes good today. It already has like LED headlights and stuff, but I want to convert the interior, like some of that stuff, to LED. So here we go. In a minute, I gotta kind of grab some stuff. Oh, and also possibly I'll be converting these lights and the third brake light. Don't mind this. This is just sitting here because it's kind of dirty. And these tires, actually, these tires will be going on my truck. So these are the old tires. These are just really old, honestly. They're dry rotting and all this stuff. And these are newer Jeep tires. Jeep, none of them are dry rotting. They're all basically brand new. I think they're from like 2022. They're honestly really nice tires. The previous owner threw them in to me for, you know, the price of I'm buying this truck, and he just gave me the tires with it. So that's nice, and we're gonna put these on this summer. I'm gonna get them, like, I'm gonna take the rims off, put the tires on these rims, and then take these tires and chuck them and sell the rims possibly. Oh, and the plow is gonna get sold. So yeah, but yeah, here we go. I might get some LEDs for these too, because why not? Yep, they're easy installation too, so might switch these out for LED. So I just switched one of these bulbs in there for an LED, and come down here, I got the same bulbs right here, two brand new. Well, I was using this bulb, but I switched it out for the LED, and I'll see how I like the LED. I'll see how I like this LED when it, you know, gets darker. But I have two extra old, like, regular light bulbs, so that's good. Yep. There we go. You have to reset the lock thing to mechanism. But here we go. Here's a little test for you guys. Turn the dome light switch real quick. I don't know. We'll notice a difference at night. But just make sure. There's the light thing. And I'm going to put this over. And, dude. Dog appearance in the video. That's crazy. We're going to put this back over there. And, yeah. There we go. Dome light secure. Turn the knob. There you go. LED. LED, baby. Looks nice. Okay, for when swapping out your tag lights, because these are your tag lights, you're gonna, so this is the bulb. These both work, by the way. This is the bulb, and you're gonna want to pop this out like that. Maybe. Still tired here. Come on. Come on. Possibly one-handed without pulling out the... Okay, I might have to set down the GoPro. There are your LED lights, by the way. Okay, I got it out. I got one of them out. Very easy to pop out. You're gonna grab basically the exact same thing, just LED. So, LED, old-fashioned. That's sun. You're gonna want to pop it back in there, and I'll show you in a minute when I'm done. Okay, so this is the LED version, and then come back here. If I can do it one-handed, I'm gonna pop this out. Look at that. There's a decent difference. So then you push it back in there, but I'll do that in a minute, and I'm gonna swap the other bulb. Honestly, I'm gonna probably keep the old one just because, you know, you never know when you're gonna need it, which is kind of smart. So I'll swap it in front of you guys right now. You know what? I'm gonna turn it off first because this one's getting hot. The older ones get hot. Yeah, the LEDs don't get hot. So I'm gonna swap it real quick and turn them off. And just like that, you got some LEDs. So I'm gonna pop them back in. Actually, might be able to do it on camera. These are easy. These tag lights are easy to pop back in. If I can, let's see. I might want to look on it there real quick. I swapped it with an LED. I think it's in there all the way. Actually, I better test that. Let's go test it real quick. Okay, wait, real quick. Trying to remember how to turn these lights on. Okay, so I think I have the bulb in wrong. So let me try this again. There we go. So make sure, real quick. Good. Okay, so I switched the bulb around. Let's try this again. Okay. Okay, we're good. Huh. Interesting. Let me go back there. Because these are on. Tag lights. And those are good. Is it on or is it? No, it's not. So I swapped it to LED. That's the old one. And we're gonna install it and put it back together now.